So, ladies and gents, today is the day. We're tuning the car using MHD. We're gonna have to go stage 2 for now because we only have downpipe and a charge pipe. There's no intake, there's no intercooler. So we're gonna go stage 2 for now, and then stage 2 plus when we get a new front mount intercooler. But it's the same map, so you're paying once. You're not gonna pay now and then pay later. So let's show you how the setup we have currently to tune the car, and then we'll start getting to it. So we don't have a battery tender, or in our condo we can't use that, so we have to use so using the Audi over here to keep this charge. So once the Audi is on, then this is gonna keep charge, and then plug in your MHD decon cable. No, you gotta use the good Android over here, and then let's get to it. These are the license I had before. So I had a E92 coupe that I went stage 2 on, and then I had an E90 that I just sold to get this car, which I was running a back-end flash, a JB4 back-end flash. So that car was full bolt-on with meth. That shit was fast. That was different. So for now, I'm gonna activate the code. So I have to activate the flasher code, and I have to activate the stage 2 map code. So I'm gonna activate those codes, and then I'm gonna show you guys what's the other stuff. So after you put in your codes, you're gonna go back to my license. You're gonna see both of your license. And me, I just purchased the flasher license and stage 2 map pack. The stage 2 map pack gives you both stage 2 and stage 2 plus. So I'm gonna go back now. I'm gonna go all the way to the top, flasher MHD map. Make sure your car is in ignition mode. Make sure your seatbelt is also plugged in. Okay, I'm gonna come back here. So for stage 2, all you need is upgraded downpipe. That's it. So I'm gonna flash a 91 octane, stage 2, connecting the DME. I'm gonna go on options because I'm trying to change out my options. So cannabis ECA present, what's that? I'm gonna leave that to none because I don't know what's that. Active anti-lag, I'm gonna leave anti-lag actually. Apply a linear throttle now. Exhaust setup. So I have an aftermarket downpipe. I want to remove the limiter. Exhaust burble. So I'm gonna put this to 1 second. Duration, I'm gonna put the duration 2 seconds. I'm gonna put it hard. Minimum RPM, I'm gonna put the minimum RPM to 1,000. Maximum RPM all the way to 7,000. Minimum speed, I'm gonna leave it to 0. Maximum speed all the way. Cold start noise reduction, I don't want that. Exhaust valve always open. Okay, in sport, yeah. Startup drawer, yeah. Limit power by gear, I don't really interested in that. So I have an OEM T-map, I have OEM ignition coils, and I have an OEM oil pressure fuel pump. So I'm gonna leave all those to OEM. Now coolant target, realistically, I'm gonna put that to sport. And then I'm gonna go back. And then, so long ride is 9 minutes to 20 minutes. So then you're gonna see all the lights in your dash just light up. You don't have to worry about them because they're all gonna go away. And then now it's flashing, it says 42 minutes left. So I'm just gonna put the phone down and just sit down in the car and just wait for the 42 minutes. So realistically, when the car is flashing, you can't be opening the doors or nothing. So I just leave my window down so I can have the cable through my window, and I'm about to put the phone on the seat. Actually, I'm about to put the phone on the dashboard and just leave it there. So I'll let you guys know when it's close to be finished, and then we'll see where we'll go from there.
Eternity later.
So now it's at 99%, 15 seconds left. 100%. This is success. Wait 30 seconds. So now I'm finna, oh, it turned off for me. So now I'm about to go disconnect the battery, disconnect the jumper cable, and wait 30 seconds, and then I'll give it the first start up. That's my old car, by the way. So this is the first start after the tune. Car's finally tuned. I think that took about 3 hours, to be honest, because like we had to switch devices and shit. But yeah, yo, let's hear what old burble sounds like. Like, I hope it's banging. They sound aggressive, so go. So, car is tuned. It's running good so far, but like I don't know, there's something wrong with it. So it will burble, then it will stop. So we're gonna give it like a day or two, so the car could like relearn the map and so forth. If not, then we're gonna go back in there, rechange some settings, and then see what it is. But like as you guys could hear, the car is loud. Like for what it is, downpipes, no resonator and mufflers. It's decent. I like it. So. Yeah, so we're gonna drive like that for a while, and then we're gonna see what is it that what's next. Cause for now, maybe a transmission tune is coming. Who knows? Cause we're gonna need something to keep up all that power. So we might do a transmission tune. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys the next time. Bye. Wow.